In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Keep Notes. Google Keep doesn't offer a simple download all button inside the app, but you have two reliable ways to get your notes onto your computer: exporting everything at once with Google Takeout or exporting individual notes to Google Docs for just the ones you need. First, let's cover downloading everything in one go with Google Takeout. Head to takeout.google.com and sign in with your Google account. You'll see a long list of Google products. To focus only on your notes, deselect everything, then select Google Keep as the only product to export. Next, choose the export format. Zip is the most convenient option because it's widely supported on both Windows and Mac. When you're ready, create the export. The system will prepare your files, which can take a bit of time if you have lots of notes or images. Once it's ready, download the zip file. Inside, you'll find your note text, any images or drawings you added, and helpful metadata like labels. This gives you a complete offline backup of your Keep data that you can store safely or move to another device. If you only want a few notes in a shareable or printable format, exporting individual notes to Google Docs is a great choice. Open keepgoogle.com in your browser and click the note you want to export. In the note, click the three-dot menu and choose Copy to Google Docs. A new document is created with the contents of your note. Open that Google Doc, then go to File, Download, and pick the format you prefer: PDF for a locked, printable version, Word if you plan to edit in Microsoft Office, or plain text for something lightweight and universally compatible. This approach keeps your formatting tidy and makes it easy to share or print just the notes you care about. A quick note on how Keep stores your data. Your notes are synced to Google's servers and tied to your Google account. They aren't saved as simple files in Google Drive by default, which is why you can't just open a Drive folder and grab them. That's exactly what Google Takeout and the Docs export are designed to solve. To recap, use Google Takeout if you want an all-in-one archive of your Keep notes, and use the Google Docs export when you only need a handful of notes in a familiar document format. Now you know how to download Google Keep Notes with confidence.